Hi and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking your downloads. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Step 2. Go to Settings, then scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Select Security, then scroll down to the Safe Browsing section. Step 4. Change the setting from Enhanced Protection to Standard Protection. Or, if you prefer, choose No Protection, but only if you understand the risks. Step 5. Try your download again. Chrome should no longer block it. That's it. Just remember, turning off protection can make your device less secure, so be cautious. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips.